What's going on, guys? It's me, Sean. Gonna do a shave. It's been, I don't know, 4 days since my last shave. I've been slacking. I've been lazy. Not shaving. Anyway. So, let's go over today's gear. The razor I'm going to be using is this Ralf Aust. What is this thing called? It is a Solinger Handarbeit. Anyway, it says Ralf Aust in Solingen right there. And this is a razor that was sent to me by No Name Bear, and it has a Zulu gray edge on it. Brush I'm going to be using is my Yaqi 26mm Badger brush. Love this little guy, or not so little. Nice size knot. The soap I will be using for tonight is Bon Temps Barbershop from my good friend Eric the Cajun Blade. You can find this over on Etsy.com at the Cajun Blade store. So I'll go ahead and I'll put a link down in the description of this video. So you guys can easily find it if you would like to. The pre-shave I'm going to be using is the Goodfellas Dawn of Glory. I use it all the time. I love this stuff. It's awesome. And then I've got something a little special today that I'll be trying afterwards. I'm excited. It is Gator grease. This is going to be coming up, available live at Eric's store on Etsy.com. So keep your eyes peeled, guys. Your eyes peeled, guys. I can't speak today. I don't know how many batches he's going to be dropping of this stuff, but excited to try it out. But yeah, anyway. So let's get this shave started. I've been slacking. I've got I've got Bill M's razor. I need to try that edge. And I need to hunt up another razor to send him. Like we were talking, because he wants to run an experiment. And I'm excited to see the results of said experiment. Man, this new soap smells freaking awesome. Absolutely amazing. So I'm going to be doing a live tonight here in the next few hours. I actually just got home from work like 15 minutes ago. Figured I'd get this out of the way because I needed to shave this morning and I was lazy and didn't do it. I had plenty of time before I left the house, before I had to go to work, but yeah, I didn't do it. Didn't get it done. So getting it done now. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a live here in excuse me. I'm going to be doing a live here in a few hours. And the main stone of tonight's live is going to be this African stone that was sent to by Rob over at the Razor's Edge. And pretty excited to try it out. I think one of the razors I'm going to do a... Actually, no. I'll probably just use a caudicle. I've been lazy. I'm not going to grab... I was about to say I might grab my Shapton glass stones or my rock stars that I have. I bought a 2, 6, and a 10. Okay. Still, I've used the 6K. I have not used the 10K yet, actually. I want to shave off the 10K. I've heard really good things about it. So we shall see. Yeah, I think tonight I'll probably just do the bevel setting on a caudicle, since I just got my cauticles back. Or I might just do the old trusty 5 by 1.5 that's shaped to a 25-foot wheel. Might do that. Oop. Water's going everywhere, gentlemen. And, ladies and gentlemen. Don't think there's any ladies watching my content, but if there are, ladies. This new scent smells awesome. Awesome blossom. That reminds me, I need to find that box that just came in the mail. I ordered some tiny little... I don't know why I wore this shirt, whatever. Got some little acrylic sample jars things. Not that I have a whole lot of different soaps, but if there's anybody... Most of my friends have all the same soaps I have, so... if I do have a soap that someone would like to try, I would be more than happy to send you a sample of it. So, all right, let's get down to business. All right. Ralf Aust. Test. That's a really nice edge. Zulu Gray. Very nice. I have, screw it. I honed up my, actually, I really want to try this edge. That was really good. We're going to go back to that here in a second. But my little Friodur 472, 6/8. One of my favorite razors in my collection. I put a new JNat edge on it. Off of, I can't remember the name of that stone. Convexed caudicle into the JNat with like heavy slurry on the JNat that I diluted. So that's good. That, I mean, yeah, that's a really good edge. I really need to go to the dollar store and grab one of those sponges so I don't have to run the dang water all the time to get clean my blade. Apologize if you hear my dog. He's right outside the door right now. Okay. Man, absolutely beautiful. Well done, Robert. Well done. Jeffrey, you're fine, buddy. Right. Man, I really like that. I really like that. That Zulu gray edge. I may just have to add one of them at where I think they're African stone. May have to add one of those African stones to my collection. That was really nice. That was really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Man, I watched Robert's new video, The Razor's Edge. He got a Friodur 14. One of my favorite razors that he shaved with. Looks like he had a freaking awesome shave. Really nice. believe he said it was a caudicle edge. I think he said it was the La Drasante that he was using. Let's try this. Let's try this chain out again. We're 16 minutes in, not too shabby. Too wet. Beautiful. Oh yeah. I'm happy to report that I'm down 4 more pounds. 4 more pounds. I could go faster with my weight loss, but there's really not much. There's not like a point to go fast.